thank the ICFP organizers and workshop chairs for again accepting a slightly delayed proposal. That was a very nice thing, and we're very happy to have FHPC, and we of course thank all the authors for their contributions to this nice workshop. And of course we would express our big gratitude to all of you for attending and providing insightful discussion. And now skipping to the future of FHPC, I would like to just mention we are in the third year. We have very promising attendance figures. The 48 early registrations, that's from before the actual workshop. So on-site registrations need to be added here. The audience today was fluctuating, which is just the purpose of ICFP co-located with so many other workshops, so it's intended to be coming back and forth. We got some high quality submissions, but we could, of course, definitely use more submissions, let me say that. But definitely you will agree that FHPC deserves to be a regular annual venue. And we were repeatedly thinking about how we broaden up the community and the de facto scope towards the high performance community a little bit more. And I think we should keep thinking about this in the future. And for the future, let's first look, just briefly recapitulating. So FHPC started as some hyperfit project workshops that we held in Copenhagen, which we gradually opened more and more towards the general public. And then in 2012 we went to ICFP and held the FHPC workshop with submissions. And we kept the co-location with ICFP, which I personally think is an advantage. On the other hand, it might be interesting to think about this eventually in order to approach the parallelism community maybe a little bit more. And to ensure the continuity of FHPC, we're moving towards a steering committee model, and the initial steering committee is enumerated here and consists of previous chairs of the workshop. So we have Clemens Grelk and Fritz Henglein sitting here in row 3, and then myself, Mary Sheeran, and Jeffrey Mainland from Drexel University. This doesn't mean that this is the steering committee and period. We are welcoming expressions of interest, of course. And Jeffrey is especially on that list because Jeffrey Mainland and Tia Gromf together kindly accepted to organize the FHPC 2015 workshop, thereby also ensuring that this time we can finally submit in time. Very nice. So this is Vancouver, as I learned yesterday, and it looks very good and very maritime, just like Gothenburg. And we're looking forward to FHPC 2015 in Vancouver, where you have a role too, of course, which is to advertise the FHPC workshop at other venues and to contribute suggestions and proposals to improve FHPC. Maybe you can talk to Jeffrey directly, he's just entering.
Unfortunately, I chaired the last session at the Haskell Symposium, so I'm sorry I'm a minute late.
Yes. And of course, you should start writing papers now in order to be prepared. So that's all from us. We thank you very much for attending FHPC this year, and we're looking forward to the next time.
And thanks to the general chair and the program chairs and the committee, I think, for doing the hard work of making it possible.